this move is absolutely crazy. You thought the Bethesda move was big. Holy
monstrous.
Shit. I don't know what to say anymore, man.
We'll definitely talk.
Major development in the Microsoft Activision Blizzard case as the CMA has voted to block the merger of Microsoft and Activision Blizzard, citing cloud gaming, of all things, as the main concern. Let's dive into this. We're going to be reading through a lot of reactions and documentation.
Oh shit! Oh shit! CMA come out, hey there, rude boy! Blocker! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh man, you Xbox fanboys are oh man, you are in the shit fest, bro. Bad enough Xbox is dog shit, but now this, bro. Yo, y'all spent more hours watching C-SPAN and senators than playing games, only for the deal to get blocked. Y'all dudes read thousands. Oh man. Yo, how can you be an Xbox fan? Because just
who is this Rudy Poo?
You can appeal. You can still push it through. You just have to wait on the EU and the FTC, and you already have Brazil, yeah, and then yeah. You guys just.
Welcome.
Mom, leave me alone. I wanna be famous.
What a day! What a day! Shocking. Utterly shocking turn of events.
This is Xbox is dead, bro. Look, hey, Xbox is fucking dead, dog.
Stop the cap.
Dog, that console is out the fucking window. They just gave their numbers. They're 30%. They are out the window. Call of Duty was supposed to be the savior. Now who's your savior, nigga? Starfield, nigga. This the Starfield, nigga. It's early in the morning in California, so I gotta speak kind of lower than usual. Okay, I got the in-laws.
Gentlemen, let me drink some of my coffee. Welcome to the show, man. If you don't already know, the CMA blocked the ABK deal. Good old coffee early in the morning, baby.
Shut up, bitch.
Oh boy, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the share button. Oh boy, I am fired up, boy. I got up this morning and I started checking my phone was going.
That's right. They blocked the deal, man, and there is a goddamn meltdown happening in the Xbox community, and it is well deserved. Fuck all y'all. Now
the Activision Blizzard deal is officially blocked. It's done. Microsoft is not buying Call of Duty.
Nigga, we caught you. Nigga, we done goddamn caught you, my boy. Boy, you caught, boy. Hey, boy, you caught, boy.
But let's discuss the...
You don't believe the CMA. You don't believe the FTC. I'm sorry, I couldn't stop laughing.
Where is factions? You told us to wait, we waited, and you're still not here. Neil Druckmann, where are you? Neil Druckmann, where are you? Where is factions? Where is factions? Where is factions?
I'm sorry, I couldn't stop laughing. You don't believe the CMA.
What
you don't believe the FTC.
What you laughing for, man?
Because it's laughable that the CMA would do such a thing. With Bobby Kotick and the team are trying to do what's good for gamers.
Back when the provisional findings hit, all the pro Xbox channels and media outlets acted as if the deal was approved. I covered it, honestly, accurately, extensively quoted the documents, and I said, this deal's not over. This deal has not been approved. Cloud gaming is up next. Because we've been saying this for months. This is vindication for all of us that kept saying that you can't let this deal go through. They will suddenly have dominance over so many sectors of the market. You cannot let them have this.
What? See? Now it is mumbo jumbo like that.
We are still blocking your shit. We had Xbox niggas tell us. They told us. They said that the deal was done. It was through. They had journalists who haven't spent a single hour in regulation in their life tell you that the CMA was preparing to pass the deal. You know what them Xbox dudes did? You know what they did, bro? Let me hit my Jamba Juice. You know what they did? They went and made tweets and videos already saying things that they wanted to say once the deal went through. Crap Gamer himself called yesterday CMA Eve because it was like Christmas to him.
You stupid fuck! Look at you now!
It's a rap. Wait. It's a rap, bro. It's a rap, bro. It's a rap. It's a rap. It's a rap.
Well, Sony with their third-party deals, they should have slowed the fuck down. Sony fucked around and they found out. Yes, they did.
And the truth shall set you free.
So if this is about competition, let us have competition.
After 18 months, it has finally happened. The ABK deal is finally official. Xbox owns Activision Blizzard. Look, man, I gotta be honest. These 18 months has had some ups. It's definitely had some downs. But at the end of the day, Xbox officially owns Activision Blizzard. You piece of shit ponies, you know all of my venom is geared towards you assholes because of the things you said, the receipts I had. And let me tell you guys, this is going to be fun moving forward. Now, you know, since the deal has been approved, you know, there was a few receipts I actually grabbed this morning. This morning, I had to grab a couple of receipts because mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the dumbest piece of shit pony of them all? Mr. Chris Hart. This guy is quick to tweet out some dumb shit. He says, well, I told you the CMA and Sony took the cloud away from this deal. Enjoy your little games. How dumb is this dude? He can't read, he can't comprehend. CMA and Sony didn't take the cloud away. They just gave it to Ubisoft in the UK only. They didn't take the cloud away, dumbass. And the only reason they did that is because the CMA had issues with the cloud, quote unquote. So you dumbass Chris Hart, they did not take the deal away. And why you put Sony in there? Well, I told y'all CMA and Sony took the cloud away. Get the hell out of here, dumbass. Not only that, look what else he said early this morning. Call of Duty stays on PlayStation.
Are you stupid or something?
Oh my God. He's celebrating that Call of Duty stays on PlayStation when we knew Call of Duty was going to stay on PlayStation months ago. We knew Call of Duty is staying on PlayStation, but Chris Hart wants to celebrate that Call of Duty is remaining on PlayStation. That's what he's celebrating this morning, guys. How about you just shut the hell up, Chris Hart? Shut up. Look, this guy Zuby Tech, who's definitely a pony but tries to act like he's neutral or a news source. He says, as Activision Blizzard acquisition closes, when other companies, including Sony, start acquiring, better not hear consolidation from the companies acquiring from the same crowd that was cheering on these deals. Oh my God, dry your eyes, sir. Dry your eyes. You guys knew this was happening. I mean, everybody pretty much knew the last month that this deal was going to go through. Once the FTC lost in court, people pretty much knew this deal was going to go through. But now you guys want to sit here and cry since it's official. I don't want to hear nobody complaining about consolidation. Want nobody crying about it except for you punks. Now you guys all of a sudden think Sony can afford somebody like Activision Blizzard. And this guy, Wooley, he responded to Zuby Tech. When that happens, they will say, number one, it's not fair. Sony are already market leaders that don't need more dominance. Number two, they are broke and can only afford small studios that don't have money like Microsoft. Three, regulators want to prove it. LOL, Microsoft started this mess. Payback karma now. Payback? What kind of payback are you referring to, sir? What is Sony going to do? Are they going to buy EA? Are they going to buy Ubisoft? Or are they going to buy Rockstar? Huh? Because those... Well, actually, Rockstar is the only comparable publisher to Activision Blizzard. Karma? Boy, shut your stupid ass up. You ponies are sad. Do you guys remember when Wooley Gamer and the Red Dragon took time out of their bum-ass days to write these long-ass novels on Twitter, crying about the ABK acquisition, crying to the government, crying to Lena Khan, praying, please block this deal. Xbox doesn't deserve this. Look at you now.
I know you're down in the dumps. I know you tried to pull yourself up. Oh, sometimes it's hard to see the light, but baby, you know if you reach out, I'll be there to help you. Baby, you got a friend in me, you're not alone. If you're in trouble, if you're feeling low, if you're feeling like it's the end, if you're feeling like you can't get out, if you feel like you need a friend, reach And I know you can do it, baby. You got it in you. You got it in you. It's in your heart. And it always was. And it always will be. All you gotta do is